Hello guys, how are you? In this video we're talking about the OpenCV. OpenCV basically open source library computer vision. So now we can see open source library. There is a URL, homepage, course, documentation, QA. So now we tested Python codes. Going to the samples. Here is a lot of codes: Android, data, GUP installation, Java, OpenAI. So we going to the Python directory. So here you can see calibration, main shift. I will show you how to run, and I hope it's help for you, Alaf. So we can. I am already in the Python OpenCV directory, so you can see I am here. Is the download the code simply. You can download from here. I have already downloaded, so you can see a lot of directories. So we can going we going sample directory, samples ls dot python directory. Now we're going to the Python directory. Python here. You just simply going to the Python directory. I can show you uh, here the samples. Going to the Python directory. So we run it above the demo.py. Python demo.py. So here the GUI, graphically interface. You can see all demo. Now we can run. So you can see it matching here. Hooray! So you can see it matching algorithm. I will just press Q button. Done. Audio. Oh, here is my the sentence issue. Attribute is not allowed. So I'm using the Python 3.8.8. Now I'm just running, going to the browsing. So you can see it. Done. Calibration code. Mm, I think this is the matrices. Done. Now show to the picture. Okay. Mean shift camera algorithm. So you can see mean shift camera algorithm. Cam shift. Cam shift using my camera. Okay. Here the copy issue. Okay. I'm using Python 8.9, so a lot of the using Python 3.3, so it's okay. You can show it, see it here. The choki means filtering. Okay. Oh, okay. Control panel, color histogram, most popular algorithm, color histogram. So again, assign my camera. So I push my camera. So counter.py. Here you can see. Done. Can tuples are okay. Input dehydration. Okay. scan the image. So I'm closing this algorithm. Tift. Magnet tift. Okay. Digital. Oh, k nearest. Lot of famous algorithm. K nearest. Long term HSS. Okay, taking some time. Beast shearers. Hmm, it's taking too much time. Digital video. I'm running the digital video again in my camera. So here you can see. So I have no digital numbering in my hand. So again you can see distracts. So beautiful. Rank. Hooray. Demo. HSS. Here again take my picture. Okay. Face detector. You can see face detector library, most famous algorithm, ArcScat. Future histogram. I'm closing the previous algorithms which are already running on my shell. So now currently working on. So okay. Now we running find object filtering full ads. Scroll down. Watershed. We are testing out now the watershed last algorithm. So we are can also testing of the mouses. Watershed. Oh, watershed. Okay. It's pretty. Hmm. Video threshold. Alternating. curating paper generator. Okay, it's also famous algorithm of the generating. Oh, very nice, pretty. Trigger, trigger demo. I hope this is the image-based algorithm. Triggered by 120 and 9 modular. Okay, there's a lot of algorithm Python 3.3. We can use Python 8.9. So many kind of errors. So angle degree, angle degree. Here is the left side. Here is the angle degree 90. 9 minus 31 angle degree. It's pretty cool. Skating sample. Okay, we are testing the sample. Oh, no image. This is the image first. QR code. Now we're running down the QR code running with my camera frame per second. Okay, I have no QR code right now currently. People detection, I hope already. Mouse and matching. Okay, let's see. Here you can see all of results. Logic polar, you can test. This is the last classification of letter recognition. I hope it's running fine. A to Z, yeah, already ran. Okay, it's taking time. Tracking video, barcode, people detector, using the people detector. So I hope. So let's see. Oh, very nice people detector. I hope you like it. Uh, justly running this algorithm of OpenCV's Python samples. You can download it, test it. Amazing computer open source library for computer vision. Next video we will show you Python project and computer vision. So I hope you like it. Please support our channel.